you can see once it's up above it.
This is the 360 place you were talking about, just like the temple on Necker, right? So this is the house that we came from. We are still on the island. We are at the northernmost or the westernmost tip? Approaching.
Yeah, western. Yeah, north is that way.
So
West-ish.
this area will be the central meeting and gathering place, kind of as the equal and opposite to the beautiful built home. And yeah. Wow. Yeah, that is not your everyday cactus.
They're called organ cactuses because they look